All right, and welcome guys to another episode of Undercover Billionaire Refugee Podcast, Crypto Trading. Today, we are doing another Superfarm analysis, and as always, we record our wins, record our losses. Without further ado, let's hop into the charts right now and see where we're at with these Superfarm trades. Now, as you guys know, we only do Superfarm here on this channel, and right now, as you can see, it is Sunday, 17th of December. We're at 54 cents. Price is dropping. Now, I had the thing I feared the most is happening. We're breaking that imaginary line we drew last time. I did see on the 4-hourly chart, we had an inverse head and shoulders here. And I thought we were going up to the upside, but we got a little fake out. I was like, nope, not happening. And then we crashed. And now, as you can see, it's kind of starting to break, but we're getting a wick being eaten up. People are buying up. They don't want to let it drop below 43. However, if this does break, to the downside, next target would probably be over here. And now that it's starting to look pretty bearish, if you go to the daily chart, we will be able to see, kind of like zoom out and see what's going on over here. And it looks like a potential double top because all these daily candles are being closing right here. So you have like an M shape, okay? It's not going below that, which is a very bearish sign. And you can see that it's very critical support at this 50-cent range right here, 50 cent. So this is pretty bad. If we break this this double top, which has the base right here, we're gonna look at a potential downside, a massive drop all the way down back to these levels at 41 cents. Now this is terrible because I had, as you know, I've been averaging into Superfarm for a very long time. I've been buying it all the way since its first release down here, and I've been buying it all the way up to where we are right now. And I had put a massive trade, a double down at this level right here. So now our position is currently at a loss. And if we drop back here, it's going to be, I'm aggregate, I'm still in profit, but if we drop down to here, things get pretty critical. I am not closing this trade at all, even if we head to the downside, as mentioned. I do still believe in my thesis. I've been hoping for this day for a very, very long time. For years, I've been waiting for this Superfarm moment. So I'm gonna keep it open, even if we go downwards. Now, if we go to Daddy Bitcoin over here, you can see that, again, you're starting to see somewhat, we did see a double top here. And then as we started crashing, people quickly bought it up. You can see the wicks of the candles here are not going below this green box. They're all being closed above it, the solid forms, and you can see the wicks. That's people buying it. We dipped today below, and on the 4-hourly, still being closed above the green line, meaning people think it should be above 40,000. No one thinks it should be below. And that's what the bulls are stepping in at this level. If we do break this level, well, we're looking like a pretty nasty all the way to 39, maybe lower, back to these levels here. So that's kind of why Superfarm is dropping, because Bitcoin is dropping and you're seeing like a weird double top. Not really a double top, but looks like it. But you are actually forming a big or a tiny head and shoulders here. This guy, this guy, and this guy. So if we go back to Superfarm, you'll see that this level is very critical here. If we go to the 4-hourly chart again, we bounced back off the 50 cents more than once, twice, 3 times. And if we do drop, we're gonna go back to these imaginary levels over here, over here, over here. There's a big resistance. Then here you can see where we couldn't break was at around 64 cents. We hit that like 4 or 5 times. So if we do start using this as support and we go back to the upside, we need to break the 65 level to truly go back into an uptrend. Right now on the daily, it looks fine. It's not still an uptrend. Again, if we break that double top, sorry for all the mess of the lines. If we do break that double top, we'll go back to the end of this uptrend at 44 cents. On the weekly though, it looks pretty ridiculous. It's just a giant, you know, it's been profitable since October. So if you bought Superfarm in October, right now you're just chilling. I've been averaging in, and because I had increased my position at these higher levels, I'm getting closer and closer to my buy-in zone on my average. But on the weekly, it looks absolutely fine. I mean, it'd still be bullish even at 20 cents. On the monthly, it's technically on the monthly, it is a downtrend. I did not notice that. So anyways, that's where we're at with Superfarm. I think it looks bad, but I think we'll be okay, but it does look pretty bad from the technicals. However, on the NFTs, it did drop a little bit, but we are still up for the week. The floor is at 0.7 Ethereum, which just a week ago was around half an Ethereum. So we're still up like 10-20% on the NFTs. And yep, that's it. There's not much to say about this. We just gotta wait and see what happens. Thanks for tuning in. Do let me know if you're a Superfarm trader. Obviously, if you're watching this, you probably are. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side, on the other side, on the next side, on all the next video. See you later. Goodbye, goodbye.